Friends, today we are going to discuss one example. In my previous video, I have discussed the theory part of this eigenvalue and eigenvector, and today I am going to solve one example, that is 2 by 2 matrix. So let's start. So in this we are given find the eigenvalue and eigenvector of A is equal to 4 2 2 4. This is our matrix A. So first of all we will convert this into the determinant form. We know A is equal to 4 2 2 4 we are given. We know I is equal to 1 0 0 1. Therefore A minus lambda I determinant we can write 4 minus lambda into 1, 4 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda into 0, 2 minus lambda into 0, 2, 4 minus lambda into 1, 4 minus lambda. So this is our determinant. So now let's solve this determinant. So this will be therefore 4 minus lambda whole square minus 4 is equal to 0. So solving this we get 16 minus 4 into 2 8 lambda plus lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. So its root will be 2 and 6. Minus 2 minus 6, so lambda minus 2, lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore lambda is equal to 2 comma 6. So we can write lambda 1 is equal to 2, lambda 2 is equal to 6, because we have to find the corresponding eigenvector to this. So I have written one lambda 1 and another lambda 2. So now for eigenvector, these are eigenvalue. EV I am writing in short form. Eigenvector, we know that A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. So here it is 2. So it will be A minus 2 lambda. This 2 was lambda, so here it will be I, that is equal to. So now A was 4 2 2 4 minus 2 into 1 0 0 1. So that is equal to 4 minus 2, it's 2, 2 minus 0 2, 2 minus 0 2, 4 minus 2 2. So this is our eigenvector, which is corresponding, means this we have find the value. Now we have to multiply by x. What is x? X is equal to x1 x2. So therefore A minus 2y into x is equal to 0. So we can write 2 2 2 2 that we have got here into x1 x2 is equal to 0 0. We can write this way. So now solving this we have to multiply both these. So 2x1 plus x2, 2x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0, and similarly 2x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. Here we are getting the same root, so let assume x1 is equal to k. Therefore 2k plus 2x2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 will common, it will get cancelled, so x2 is equal to minus k. Therefore x is equal to k1 comma minus k, that is x is equal to x1 x2, that will k1 k2, that is equal to k1 into 1 comma minus 1. So this is our corresponding vector, eigenvector. Now similarly for lambda 2 is equal to 6. So I will write directly. So here it will be 4 minus 6 into 1. So 4 minus 6 minus 2. Second it will be 4 minus 0 is means 2 minus 0 is going to be 2 only. Here also is going to be 2, and similarly this both are same, so here it will be minus 2. Now multiplying this with x, we get minus 2 2 2 minus 2 into Let assume this is y1 y2 is equal to 0 0. So minus 2y1 plus 2y2 is equal to 0. This is equation 1, and second 2y1 minus 2y2 is equal to 0. These are also similar equation if we take out the sign common. So let assuming y1 is equal to k, so we get 2k minus 2k plus 2 into y2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 get common and cancel, and y2 is equal to k. If we put y2 is equal to k and y1 is equal to k, we both got the same value. So y1 y2 is equal to k. So if we take out the k common, we get 1 comma 1. So this is our second eigenvector. Now I will talk about the shortcut trick that I have also discussed in my session. I discussed that in my theory section also. If it is 2 by 2 by matrix, then we can write characteristic equation as lambda square minus trace of A plus determinant of A is equal to 0. So here trace of A is equal to 4 plus 4 8. Determinant of A is equal to this minus 0. For the 16 minus 4, it's 12. So we can write lambda square minus, this was the equation, lambda square minus trace of A into lambda plus determinant of A is equal to 0. So it will be lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a shortcut method to find the characteristic equation. Means this step we can get directly by this method. So this way we can solve. I hope you understood this. If you really liked, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for latest video. Thank you.